In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip or reverse an image in Google Slides. Whether you're editing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, knowing how to manipulate images can add significant visual impact. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to go to Google Slides. If you have a preferred browser, open it and type in Google Slides to find the site. Once you're there, you'll notice a prompt to sign in. Make sure to log into your Google account, as this step ensures you can access your documents and make edits seamlessly. With the login process complete, you're now at the Google Slides homepage. From this main dashboard, you have a couple of choices. You can either start a new presentation by clicking on blank presentation, or select a template from the array of options available to you. Typically, if you want to work on a specific theme or style, picking a template might save time, but for our purposes, a blank one will do. Now that we've opened a presentation, let's focus on adding an image. You might already have images in your slides, but if not, import one by selecting the slide where you want it and using the insert function to upload an image. With your image now placed in the slide, click on it to ensure it's selected. You should see handles or small squares along the image's border, indicating it's ready for edits. Next, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Click on Arrange. Doing this opens up more options for you to change the layout and look of your image. Under Arrange, hover over the Rotate option. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu that allows you to alter how your image is displayed on the slide. From the Rotate menu, you'll find the option labeled Flip. Depending on your needs, you can flip the image horizontally or vertically. A horizontal flip will mirror your image from left to right, which is great for creating symmetry or aligning visual elements differently. Alternatively, flipping vertically will rotate your image upside down, useful for certain artistic or thematic presentations. Select the option that fits your intended design. Once you've flipped your image, take a moment to finalize its position and see how it looks in your slide layout. Remember, sometimes subtle adjustments in alignment or size post-flip can enhance the overall aesthetic of your project. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to flip images in Google Slides. Now you can give your presentations a professional touch, aligning visual elements exactly how you envision them. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, feel free to explore more of our content for tips on maximizing your productivity with Google tools. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting,